All right, guys. So let me do the recap for today. I didn't have a good day. MU really got me in the morning, and I kind of traded too many tickers too many times. So this is without commissions. So I have about 98 tickets, so easily $200 commission too. $200 $50 commission or something like that. So it's a really bad day for me. I don't know what went wrong. I think I really don't know what went wrong. MU, it all started with MU. That's a really bad squeeze on me at the open. And so let's go through the open. Yeah, so this is a 1 minute chart. So I did take a, I was trying to take an opening range breakdown, and what I saw was so it was really setting up for opening range breakdown. We had this moving average, everything was ready. This before the first 5 minutes, this candlestick kind of concerned me. So there was a really big squeeze before the first 5 minutes actually ends, and that was a question mark for me. And I was thinking that, am I going to get a squeezed or not? But it did drop. I took the chance and I said, okay, I'm going short here. But I'm not, I will be careful with that because he already did a big squeeze. And sure enough, never came down and went back up, and I got out and stopped out. I got stopped out, and then I decided, I kind of hesitated. I said I'm going to go long. I went long, popped up, I sold some, and then I added more, and then I sold everything right at the break even. So here I kind of messed up with my long trades because I got a bad entry. I should have waited until this drop and then go long toward this level. We did pop back up, came down, and then I went long again. I went long again here. I was hoping to go toward the 53.67, but it did go up a little bit, but it wasn't strong enough, and it came down, and it got stopped out at the VWAP. So that was a bad loss on the long side. It did came back up. I went long again, and I was hoping. Oh, that's also very unfortunate. So the high of the day was 53.31, so that was the high of the day by that time. I went long. I was hoping to crack the high of the day. I went up. I was really positive I could get out with even profit on the long side. I was hoping to crack the high of the day and get into this level at 53.67. It never cracked the high of the day. See in the 5 minute chart, you see never hit to the high of the day, and then came down, and I got out with another loss. So as you see, I lost both on the short side and on the long side, 2,000 shares each time, and that was a $1,000 loss. Started my day. A&W was really, so that's a bad one. A&W really got me really bad. I went long. So I went long. I added more and just popped up quickly. I just didn't get a chance to sell. I really didn't get a chance to sell at 154. I was really hoping to pop above the VWAP, and then I got stopped out here. It came up, I went long again, and then I got stopped out again. So $800 loss. That was, and every time I was taking 5,000 shares or 6,000 shares. Not a big size, but it's just that was too bad drop on that on A&W. That is it. So what was that? So yeah, so that was A&W. Tesla was a reversal to the VWAP. I got a bad entry, so I couldn't really book any profit on that. So it did pop up toward the VWAP. I should have got long here at 301 and sell about at 303, but I went long at 302. We did pop up, but I saw that it doesn't have the steam to pop above the VWAP. I got out with a little bit of profit, and now it's just coming back down. The best trade of the day for me was Cree. So Cree lost the VWAP, came down. I went short here. Someone in the chat mentioned that. 2,000 shares dropped, and I covered here, here, and here. I was hoping to get to red to green, but it's just doesn't really move that much. I'm not comfortable with that. So Cree was that trade that I really made my money on that. Everything else really. DFPG was. Yeah, DFPG, I went, that was a fallen angel. Let me go to 1 minute chart, maybe it's more clear. Yeah, so it did, this is a fallen angel popped up. As you see, look at the volume. This is a very beautiful fallen angel. Look at the volume popped up here, the 1 minute chart. You could go long here. And we had this 705 level from daily chart. I was hoping to get there, but never, as soon as I saw it doesn't have the, steam to go up, so I got out with a little bit of profit, $40. And I took 800 shares, very small size on that. Teva really got me too. So Teva at this level really, so Teva I went short. So Teva sold off, I went short, and I was hoping to get to this 2309. We did pull back, came down very close to that, and then I missed the cover, and it came back up, I got out. Did came down again. See how close it get to this level, and then bounce back. Look at the volume. So it seems that people were ready really to start covering around that level. Came down again, just get out, bounce back. So as you see, I wasn't really lucky. So again, one more time, just look at the volume. Every time the volume was coming down around this level, everyone was buying it around here. So never actually hit that 2309. I did take a reversal on that, so let's go to 1 minute chart. So I did take a reversal. It came above the 20 moving average on 1 minute chart. I wanted to go long, not here, dropped here. I went long here, then popped up. I sold some, but never hit the VWAP. So as you see, never hit the VWAP, and I got out the last piece at the break even. So I didn't make a lot of money on the long side, only $100. I went long, sold some, because most of my position I got out the break even. Yeah, so that was really brutal. What was that anyway? Yeah, that's pretty much it. PBR was also a trade that I was hoping to get to this. Came below the VWAP. I was hoping to crack the low of the day and get exactly these levels. That's what I was looking for. I went short, bounced back at me. I got out. Went short again. I got out the break even. And after about half an hour, just did hit that huge drop with volume. It was just tough for me to trade. Yeah. Anyway, I lost $170 on that. I didn't lose much on that. Overall, I don't know. I mean, it was a tough day. I struggled. $1,300 plus probably $300 commission. So it was a really bad day for me. I think ERJ was the best. ERJ was the best trade. A lot of people take that trade to the short side. This was one on our watch list, and look at this drop from $25 all the way to $23.04. Wow. And $23.04, look at this level. I mean, usually my levels are working really nice. Look at this $23.04. This is the level that I found, and look how the stock is bouncing back from that $23.04. Do you see that? But today, this Teva level just killed me. It didn't touch that. I should have covered a little bit better. Anyways, guys, so I accept the loss. Hands up. I mean, it's not that you make money every single day. Some days you're struggling. MU really got me, and I mean, it messed me up so much that I should have gone short here. I could go short, and I still could make money on that. But I was just a psychological mess with MU. So this was a nice drop. Anyways, guys, tomorrow is another day. Sorry about that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the chat.